Hello, this is Opinion Radar. Today, we're diving into a tool that's generating a lot of buzz in the woodworking community, the RUITOL Carbide with Lathe Turning Tools set. Whether you're a complete newcomer feeling overwhelmed by the intricacies of wood turning or a seasoned turner searching for a more efficient, low-maintenance alternative to traditional steel tools, this kit promises to deliver. Priced at just $66, it positions itself as an accessible entry point into the world of carbide turning, a technology known for its sharpness and longevity. In this review, we'll go beyond the marketing to explore its real-world performance, versatility across different projects, and the practical considerations that might influence your decision. We'll look at where it truly excels and where there might be room for improvement, giving you a balanced perspective to decide if this set deserves a spot in your workshop. Let's get started. Let me start by saying that if you're stepping into the world of wood turning or looking to upgrade your toolkit, the RUITOL Carbide with Lathe Turning Tools set is a compelling option. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the presentation and build quality. The aluminum alloy handles are substantial without being overly heavy, providing a comfortable grip that doesn't fatigue your hands during longer turning sessions. The inclusion of a carrying case is a thoughtful touch that keeps everything organized and protected, which is crucial when you're moving between a workshop and a home setup. For someone like me who has been turning for a while, having a dedicated case means no more hunting for loose tools in a drawer. The set is comprehensive, offering a swan neck hollower for deep bowl work, a rougher for initial shaping, a finisher for smooth surfaces, a detailer for fine work, and 2 mandrel sizes to accommodate different project scales. This variety makes it an excellent starting point or a versatile addition to an existing collection. The performance of these carbide tools is where they truly shine, and it's a game changer compared to traditional high-speed steel. Carbide cutting tips are inherently sharp, and these are no exception. They glide through it like a hot knife through butter, removing material quickly and cleanly. I've tested them on various hardwoods, walnut, maple, and even some tiger wood that can be notoriously tough, and the edge holds up impressively well. One of the biggest advantages is the low-maintenance nature of carbide. When the cutting edge eventually wears, you simply rotate the blade or replace it, which is far less hassle than the constant sharpening required for steel tools. The sanding attachments are a particular highlight. They work beautifully for final finishing, though there is a small learning curve. As one user noted, applying a slight side pressure to get the drum to spin properly becomes intuitive after a few uses. The sandpapers that come with the set are a standard offering, but they get the job done for initial sanding stages. In terms of practical use cases, this set proves its worth across a range of projects. For beginners, the barrier to entry is significantly lower because you don't need to master complex sharpening techniques. I recently worked on a set of mixing bowls, and the finisher tool left a surface so smooth I barely had to sand afterward. The swan neck hollower is fantastic for turning bowls with a deep, curved interior. It reaches spots that traditional gouges might struggle with. For those into making pens or small crafts, the detailer and the 1-inch mandrel are perfect for precision work. The rougher, as the name implies, is excellent for rapidly turning square blanks into round stock, saving valuable time. While the 2-inch mandrel is great for larger projects, I found myself using it less frequently in smaller shop settings. The set is designed for versatility, and it delivers, making it suitable for everything from decorative pieces to functional household items. However, it's only fair to discuss the cons and where there's room for improvement, as no product is perfect. Some users have mentioned that the blades can be brittle, and a few reported breakage during shipping or mounting. While I didn't experience this myself, it's something to handle with care during assembly. The Allen wrenches provided are functional but easy to lose, and a small note in the manual about keeping them secure would be helpful. A more significant observation is the blade life. While carbide is durable for intense all-day turning sessions, the blades may wear faster than expected, though replacement tips are affordable. The set doesn't include a star drive for easy blade changes, which means swapping out tools requires a bit more effort. Additionally, only two handles are provided, so you're constantly swapping them if you're using multiple tools in succession. A dedicated handle for the sanding attachment would streamline the workflow, as you currently need to move the tool out of the headstock to attach it. From a value perspective, this set is an outstanding deal, especially considering the cost of buying high-quality carbide tools individually. At $66, it offers a lot of bang for the buck, and the included accessories like the sandpapers and case add to the overall value. I've seen similar sets in specialty stores for twice the price, and for hobbyists or even seasoned turners who want a reliable backup set, the investment is minimal. The ergonomic design of the aluminum handles reduces vibration, which makes for a more controlled cut and less user fatigue. It's clear that our RUITOOL has put thought into the overall user experience, balancing performance with affordability. The only caveat is that for professional production-level turning, you might eventually want to invest in premium aftermarket blades or handles, but for most, this set is more than adequate. In conclusion, the RUITOL Carbide with Lathe Turning Tools set is a thoughtfully curated collection that excels in ease of use, sharpness, and versatility. It's ideal for beginners who want to skip the steep learning curve of sharpening, as well as experienced turners looking for efficient, low-maintenance tools. The pros, such as the sharp carbide edges, comfortable handles, and comprehensive kit, far outweigh the minor cons like the need for more handles or occasional blade sensitivity. If you're willing to handle the tools with care and perhaps add an Allen wrench to your kit, you'll find this set to be a reliable companion in your workshop. I've incorporated these tools into my regular rotation and have been consistently impressed with their performance, especially on projects that demand precision and a smooth finish. For the price, it's a purchase I don't regret, and it has already helped me produce some of my best work to date. If this review helped you see the potential in your turning projects, consider hitting that like button to support the channel. For more insights on mastering your tools and elevating your craft, subscribe so we can continue turning great ideas together. Thank you for watching and happy turning!